Sanibona bafethu, lishonele bafethu kwi-Kaizer Stars. I wanna make some comments ngale game and what I thought about it. Siqala igame nje into engithusile ukuba ne-continuity from igame ye-Sundowns. Igame ye-Sundowns noma ngabe sawina ngo-3-2 bengizobuya la ngifike ngi-criticize i-team ngendlela edlale ngakhona. We didn't have a control of the game. Same thing eyenzakalile kwi-Kaizer Stars. We didn't have control of the game. Yes, ungabuka ama-stats, ubuka whatever, but we didn't have the control of the game. Leya team bikwazi ukudlala ama-1-2, bikwazi ukudlala nearer to each other, bikwazi ukwenza ama-touches maybe 4 or 5 progressive touches. Thina we don't have. Yabona bethu mangabe saqhubeka hlala ngama-midfielders who can't pass forward, ama-midfielders who can't collect ibhola emuva enze i-progressive pass. We can't. Unemtanjela benomakhaola bo-2, they don't combine. I love Vokesh so much, but currently esikhulume ngale game, bo-2 mangabe uchabathane ephethe ibhola, what they do is they face, bamnikeza ibheki, babheke i-opponent, balindele ukuthi le bhola mhlawumbe iyobuya as i-second ball. I think ejimini bayapraise ukuthi mangabe ibhola likuthina kumele sibheke ama-second ball. We not a fucking small team. Sidinga ama-midfielders azokwazi ukuthi athathe ibhola emuva aphase forward. What they do is bamnikeza ibheki. Now njengoba bengaveli ukudlala yenza ukuthi we can't find uMasangaye, we can't find uRele, we can't find uDe Jong. How many times uDe Jong ube hard phuma ngakhona? I think uDe Jong maybe mhlawumbe he pulled his hamstring because ubegijima kakhulu, like he was ubehleze phuma espacing engatholi pass. Tell me why ukuthi soba no Chapathane opase probably more than ama-midfielders enza ama-forward passes. Ama-midfielders they don't. Okay, let's go to coach. This is not even about Utito or Intangela or Hoto, but you can't play ama-athletes amangaka egamini one. There was a time where iParis edlala khona ama-left amaningi grounded and we were lacking ukuya forward because all left abaningi abekho quick noma ungimanga but bayacabanga. Now sinabo left noma sifaka ama-athlete a-enjoya ukumaka, like literally uTito enjoys ukumaka ibhola mangabe likuthina ufuna unika ama-opponent bese agijima maka. Uhoto uma ngabe liphethe ibhola uba namatata ukuthi ufuna ukuthi liphume silimaka. Usibelebele want ukumaka, you want to gijima umethola 1-2-3. We can't have i-team edlala kanje. We lose i-possession of ibhola, we lose i-momentum. You know ukuthi i-Pirates idlala nge-momentum and Sundowns into leyo ifundile. Mangabe siphethe ibhola emuva they come back babu number 5 ukuvala i-momentum. Mangabe sebephuma uMorena goes forward, same thing. Labafana basinikeze i-4-3, a proper 4-3. Into abayenzayo ku-midfield baba impethe ukuthi singadlali ama-channel. Whenever sama uphuma bazokwenza ifoul nomunye ahlele phansi. Whenever sama uphuma bazo-insist lo bhola lingayi phambili. Now we playing uTito Masangaye who's more like a number 8. Uma ngabe kumele sidlale uyeza uzokholetha ibhola enzi 1-2 nawe bese yagijima ingale ibhola alisayi phambili libuyela back emuva labafana ba regrouper. How many times we sithola khona ithuba lokwenza ama-break attacks, but sibani ibhola ba regroup. We have a hot on the other side who want to make ama-crosses angaphumelele, who want to make ama-runs angaphumelele. Akancane usothi ibhola lisehafini yethu uyi-left back already yena usengale ulifuna ngale lelo bhola lelo. Sizocreate kanjani ama-things clear. Now second half siyamlinda azasakhathala uTito, but we know ukuthi currently njengamanje akasizi. Njengamanje we have abambule. Let me tell you why. Coach is playing ama-signings akhe for what I see. It's not wrong, but you can't play them all. You can't say ukuthi uChapathane uqhamuka kumelo magalansi uzodla lineup kukhona opepe la ngaphandle. You can't say ukuthi uNemtanjela will come in adle indawo yadlamini kanjalo. This is so frustrating njengamanje. We can't say ukuthi sihambisa uMabasa, we are relying on kuMbuthuma njengamanje, which means njengamanje instruction yasoMbuthuma ngoba phela kuthiwa umkhopho limele. I don't know what is happening aboMbasa, I don't know. We don't have to have ama-midfielders ayingudlungudlu akwazuma. We can ngendlela iPirates engakhona, we can simply have Mbule as the number 6. Without Mbule leya team ayikho. It lacks ucabanga, it lacks a core. Remember Hlala Nelilepo, what they did, he brought in Abu Mbule, brought in Abu Dlamini because uyazi lo coach usikhoste iligi game iqala esizini. I think 2 games or 3 games. Waba arrogant wadlala uMbuthuma, wadlala Abu Redopane. Samtshela ukuthi akabuyele kwischeme, wabuyele kwischeme sethu abamajida akhuphula azambeka la. Athe uma ngabe sembeke la wasibutha ungcono yena wabashiya ngaphandle abanye wabaloni. Now league is going, uzobuyisela back manje abadlala move. Isikhathi siyahamba, we are out of Nedbank. Siya ileague njengamanje asikho in control ngayo. Where's ama team like we were studied by Castle Stars. Number 2 right back uMufokeng ubenga overlap idingo singekho because he knows ukuthi Pirates inzima kuma wings. Bahlala as a 4 azange balipaka ibhasi mhlawumbe after mzuzu ka 70. Now you as a coach ngithi ngiyabheka bench who can come in and get the game, okay, police, and then who, and then we're done. How many players we have? We can't say njalo we don't have strength, we don't have this kind of we were beaten ngokufanele, we were not in control of the game. Come second half ukhipha uTito ufaka uMfokeng as the number 10. UMfokeng wenza a nice forward pass, I think, to Hoto. Hoto ushaya ibhola ngama-laces. We want a number 10 who can pass, but uzobona yeke siyadlala futhi against i-Chiefs kube khona uTito Maswanganyi as the number 10. Umfokeng yoke kuphi ebengaphandle, since Umfokeng kulama game awu2 emenza i-wing ukorile no, ube nemphethe ethena game no, umoremi njengoba emkhiphile ka left ekora amagoli emntaka right uke wakora no, uke wenza ama-assist no. Why are you changing it team winayo? Why do you need Mbule ngaphandle ebhenjini? Why do you need to bring back uTito? Because now uMaswanganyi uyiliability njengamanje. Isystem yethu once kukhona yena iyalimala no Hoto. Isystem yethu njengamanje idinga uMbatha no uNdaba, idinge uMfokeng as a number 10 so that beno police they will interchange.